guys, into this video, gawin ko tong multi-functional. Ito na power input pwede sa AC or PB. Let's assume that this Type-C charger came from the solar. After plug-in, the lead indicator will lights on. While this charger charging the battery, it does not lights on. Pero kung naka-unplug, mag-ilaw yan, automatic. Yan. So kung blackout, tapos mag-automatic on. And the next one is for UPS. This is a UPS relay. This terminal is for battery, and this is for power source. This one is load. This negative or black wire soldered to the on the discharge BMS. This negative must be on the power, negative terminal to the relay, and then plug into the AC power supply. So yung power lumipat dito sa green. Yung red indicator from the battery, dahil may may power source na from AC, so dito na siya sa light green. So lagyan natin ng load. That's it, ilaw na siya. So kumukuha siya ng power from AC. Yan, plug ko, lilipat yan dito sa battery automatically. Plug ko ulit, lilipat siya dito sa AC. Kung unplug ko, unplug dahil run out, walang power source from AC, lipat siya dyan. Yun. Tapos kung ay gabi na, hindi na nag-charge yung solar, unplug natin. Yun. Dalawa ang umiilaw. Dito, pwede itong gawin sa modem. Kailangan na lang ng internet connection. Off. On. Ganyan lang guys, kadali. Thank you for watching.